Now we talk about the mortality of man. Actually, it's destiny. Whoever you face and for whatever reason you denounce anybody, it's always destiny. When you are called upon to go to heaven, I am sure, yung kamatayan mo na, sabi ko nga dito, heart attack, pneumonia, stroke, aneurysm, those are just the excuse. God has provided the excuse for you to make the exit. So, hindi ako maniwala niyang isang batalyon na security kasi pag panahon mo na, panahon mo na. It does not really matter to me takot ako, pinatay ako, o namatay ako because I can never tell. What I would like really to realize at the moment is that kung ano lang yung ginawa, sabihin ko sa Panginoong Diyos, kung ano lang yung ginawa ko na kaya ko, ginawa ko. Yung hindi ko nagawa, talagang hindi ko kaya. Pero yung mga bagay na ginawa ko na masama, si devil man yun, hindi man sa akin. So, hanapin natin sa kanyang at yun ang atin ng dehorn. Cut his horns and his tail, and that will teach him a lesson.